Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the game. Pause now and open Settings. Once there, move directly to Accessibility. This groups all interface aids so you don't hunt through menus. You'll see a narrator toggle labeled on /off/system. Choose it to change behavior. Make sure you're in the same game profile and edition you usually play because settings are per profile. If you're on console, use the controller to reach settings, then Accessibility. On mobile, tap the gear icon. This gets you to the narrator control immediately. Now change the narrator setting to off. Select it and confirm with Done or Apply so the change saves. Once done, test by opening chat or a menu to verify no spoken feedback occurs. If you use multiple input devices, check both game menus and controller bindings because some controllers can toggle narration via shortcuts. Make sure to review audio and accessibility sections after saving. Sometimes the narrator label appears in both places and one must be turned off to stop speech completely. Finish by exiting to the title screen and reloading your world to confirm the narrator is silent. If you still hear narration, restart the game. Often save state persists until a reload. Also check your operating system or console accessibility. Windows Narrator, VoiceOver, or TalkBack can read game text independent of Minecraft. Update Minecraft if the toggle behaves oddly, and as a last resort reset accessibility settings to defaults. If problems continue, reinstalling or creating a fresh profile usually resolves stuck audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.